Phonics today, we're on lesson 73. The last few days, our new material has been, does anybody remember what those are called when they're added to the beginning of a word? What are they, Amy? Prefixes, yes. So we've been talking about the prefix re, which means again or like you go back. The prefix in, which could also mean in, but it can also mean not. We'll add a couple more. Whoa, that just was like a wheel and it just went on its own. We'll add a couple more prefixes today at the end of lesson 73 here. Let's read through our sounds. First one is already there. What is it?
Re.
Let's pull our masks down. In. That was really long. Did you get all those?
Yeah.
Do you remember them?
Yeah.
Okay, first sound.
I think you skipped some because when you were playing. Yeah.
I think that was it.
It was?
It was. All right, so first sound. In.
In. But then what did you scroll through? Yeah, I saw it.
Second sound. Re.
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 Fix it.
Third sound. As.
As. Does it matter if you put that in?
Or.
Or.
Short O. Can you think of what short O says?
Yeah.
What does it say? Ah. At the end of a word. Ah. Short O. Ah. At the end of a word. J. At the end of a word after a short vowel. J. At the end of a word after a short vowel. Ch. At the end of a word after a short vowel. Three ways. Three ways. I went back, it was just those two, friends. Crazy. Okay, do you have all three of those ways?
Yeah.
Let's go through all of our sounds. The first sound was in. What did you write?
I-N.
I-N hyphen. Because this is a what? Prefix. Re. R-E. Hyphen. Because it's a prefix. Es. Hyphen. E-S. Where's that added?
At the end.
At the end. Or.
Or.
No hyphen needed, right? Short O at the end of a word. Ah is the A-W, ah. Like in thaw, claw, paw.
I had the W, right, but I didn't have the A, right? I had the O.
J at the end of a word after a short vowel. What is it?
E.
Ch at the end of a word after a short vowel is
T-C-H.
TCH. Then the three ways for K. What's one of them? C. What's another one? K. What's the last one? CK. How was it? Masks up while your temperature's taken.
I only missed one.
Okay, the ah.
I didn't miss none.
You didn't miss any?
Nope. Yep. I only
Okay.
forgot my T.
All right, attention back on the board.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna read through some words. Remark, include, relax, reform, relate, inhale. Show me inhale. Show me exhale. Show me relax.
Oh, I need to relax.
Let's read through this page of words. Indeed, record, income, invade, reprint, refill. Insane, reject, inside, recall, insult. The word is insult. What's the word?
Insult.
Refresh. This word means like when you make a bad comment about someone. Jenny? Insult. This word means, ooh, I don't want that. Reese?
Reject.
Reject. This word is what third graders are. They're crazy. You are
Insane. No, we are.
I am. I teach third grade, so I must be insane.
Yeah.
Invent, intend, indent, regard, retire, inspire, report, inform, relax. Had that one earlier. Invite. The word is invite. What's the word?
Invite.
Invest, remote. This word means to, like, with your money, you can buy into a company or to start your own company, I guess. You would do this with your money. What is it, Natalia? Invest. Rejoin, intake, inspect, restore, incline, refine. This means like something steep or uphill. Haley?
Incline.
Incline. I think all the others are.
What's refine?
Refine means to like go back and make something better.
What's intake?
Intake means to take something in. Boxes, vanish, inform, record, termite, into, shoreline, harder, revise, over, picture, blemish. Is this the, I'm going to take a picture with my camera? No, that one is picture. This is the pitcher that throws a ball. Or it could be a pitcher that has liquid in it that you pour from. A blemish is when you have like a spot on your skin or a bad looking spot on a piece of art. A blemish just means kind of a bad spot on it. Have you ever seen somebody that has a pimple? Sometimes I get pimples. That would be a blemish.
My sister had like crazy.
Where should everybody's attention be?
On the board.
After, pancake, snowstorm, recall, stuffing, planet. Wish we could get one of those here.
No.
I love the snow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read this question. Do you intend to start late? But that's not how we would really say something, is it? So let's read it how we would say it. Did you intend to start late? I don't want to go anywhere. Let's read it smoothly. I don't want to go anywhere. I have a rather small income. Do you know what that means? Like they don't make very much money. Let's read it again. I have a rather small income. Let's ask this question. Did you invest in a new pair of jeans? What does that mean?
Like, did you try out a new pair?
Did you buy a new pair of jeans? Let's read it again. Did you invest in a new pair of jeans? I did. They'll be here Friday.
Really?
Yeah. All right, let's write down some words. Yawn.
Yawn.
That's your first word.
You made me yawn.
Sometimes just talking about a yawn makes you yawn. When I see other people yawn, I yawn. They're contagious.
I know. Luke is the one that yawn.
Rejoin.
Rejoin.
Invest.
Invest.
Do we have new material today?
Many.
Many.
That would be a what?
Say
Sight word.
Itches.
Inches.
We're going to do some more. Rawhide.
Rawhide.
Rawhide. Everybody have it?
No. Is that a compound?
Remake.
Remake.
Invite.
Invite.
Busy.
Busy.
What is that?
Like your sight word.
A sight word. Just have to know how to spell it. Our last word? Edge.
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 I know how to spell. And that's not how I spell busy.
Let's go through those 10 words. The first one was yawn. Ya, ah. There's that ah. N. Rejoin. Re. J. Oi. N. Invest. In. V. Est. Sight word, many. M. A. N. Y. And then itches. Itch. Ez. How was it?
What? I missed one.
How'd you do?
That's all you gave us?
Wait.
Nope. So far though, how'd you do?
Good.
So.
Okay. The next word was rawhide. Raw. I'd. Remake. Ache. Invite. In. Ite. Busy. B. U. S. Y. And then the last word we had was edge. Edge.
I got 2 marks. I got 100.
So out of those 10, if you missed one, it would be a 90. If you missed 2, it's an 80. So each one would have been worth 10 points if I were grading it. How would you have done?
190.
90.
100.
Actually, it would be 80.
Okay, let's go through the new material.
That was short.
It was short.
Very. The prefix.
This is a prefix. So it's going to say, what do you think? Think about the word away. What's it saying at the beginning? So when we see this prefix, it says This prefix says what? Let's say that 3 times in a row. Okay, so let's pretend like, oh, we're reading through all of these sounds. They're so amazing. And we get to this one. What does it say? What does it say? One more time. Like in away, about, agree, amaze, along, awake, alone, ago. They all say We'll practice in a minute. Un. This is a prefix. How can you tell? Has a hyphen at the end. So that means it comes at the beginning of a word. This prefix means not. So, uncut, unsaid, undo, unborn, unpack, unfit, undone, undid. Have you heard some of those before? Let's practice some of the prefix words and the un prefix words. Write the prefix.
That's a bad A, so it's like a H.
What is the prefix? Show me your board in 3, 2, 1. How do I know it's a prefix?
Because it has a hyphen at the end.
So what should you include on yours?
A hyphen at the end.
Okay. So a hyphen. What does it say? Write the un prefix. Prefix un. Show me your board in 3, 2, 1. Un. Un is a prefix. What does it need after it?
A
hyphen. Let's practice some of those words using those two prefixes. First word, uncut.
Uncut.
Next word, awake.
Awake.
I don't like awake.
Yep.
I think we need an upside down.
That's weird.
And it'll make 6.
Next word,
6.
alone.
Alone.
Leave me alone. So far you have 3 words. We're just going to do one more.
Okay. There's going to be
Unsaid.
unsaid. I made it upside down.
Let's go through those 4 words. We had uncut, uncut. Awake. Is that a U?
No.
What is it when it's a prefix like that?
A.
A, and then w, a, k. Alone. A, and then lone. It's not alone, is it?
No.
Then I just switched it to black. But our last word is unsaid. Un. How do I spell the word said?
S-A-I-D.
S-A-I-D.
How many points for each one?
Each one of these is worth 25 points. Because there's 4 of them. Think of $1. There's 4 quarters in $1.
I got 100.
So if you missed 1, it would be a 75%.
I got
If you missed 2, it's a 50%. If you missed 3, it's a 25%.
I missed none.
But I know you didn't miss that many.
If you missed all of them, you got a 0.
Class.
Yes.
Erase your board. Put your board away. You can put your eraser back on the side of your desk. Make sure the lid is put on your marker so it doesn't dry out. And then in your, I think we're on page 73. I believe that's what,
Did we tear it off?
yes, you may tear it off.
Though I don't have to. 23. Because it's already off. That's not a 1. No, I said you grabbed one.
Do you know who you are? Because some of you, unfortunately, still don't know. Prove that you know who you are. If you're not sure, look at your name tag on your desk. It'll help you.
I can't because my animal's sitting there. Move your animal.
All right. Can you hear me? Do you have your name on there? Your mailbox number? Today's date? If you said no to any of those, get it done!
Again.
the top. There's different parts to this. At the top, we're either going to add the prefix, which is what letter? A. Or we're going to add the in prefix to this side only. All right. So would you say across or in cross? Across, right? So what do we put here? Is it a U?
No.
It is not a U.
It's an A.
All right, so yes, we will put an A here. Now, what does that word say?
Across.
I'm going to write it neatly and spell it correctly. Across. You can do it too.
Oh, that's what that line is for.
Mm-hmm.
I thought we were adding like suffix.
Class, class, class.
Yes.
You are only using the which is the A, or the in prefixes to complete these words and rewrite them neatly and spelled correctly. Understand this side?
Yes.
For sure.
Yes.
Raylan? How about we look over at the other side here? We're going to get to that. We are using the un prefix and the re prefix over on the right side only. So would we say unless or re-less? Unless. So we put un here and then rewrite the whole word neatly and spelled correctly. Unless. Then go through and do the rest of those using un or re on this side only. Go ahead and finish those, and then we'll go over the bottom part. Now, you have to write it as one whole word, right? You don't leave the in prefix off to the side and then put the word off to the other side. Go ahead and complete both of those sides. The left side using the or in, and then the right side using un or re. Let's just read through the words that you wrote. What did you put here? Inform. Inside. Could be aside, but I'm thinking maybe in. We'll find out. Alone. Because you wouldn't say in lone, would you? No. Now we're using the un and re. So we have unless, repeat, unlike, rejoin. So you have all of those words written up here you are going to use these words that you made to complete the sentences. So look at this first one. Jan stays her house on hot days. Jan stays across her house?
No.
Unless her house.
No.
So looking through the words that you created, Jan stays, what would you put?
Inside.
Does that make sense? Jan stays inside her house on hot days. That sounds good to me. The teacher will the spelling list twice. What could that one be? The teacher will the spelling list twice. What do you think it is?
Repeat.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The teacher will repeat the spelling list twice. I think that sounds good. Hank will play ball. It is raining. Hank will play ball unless it is raining. The next sentence, that odd flower is any other. That odd flower is unlike any other. We will walk the park to the hill. We will walk across the park to the hill. Don't swim in the pool alone.
Let's rejoin.